Welcome. If you're looking to star an email in Gmail on your Android device, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the updated steps to make this quick and easy. First, start by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have the app open, you'll be greeted by your inbox. Next, scroll through your list of emails to find the one you want to star. Whether it's an important message from a colleague or a special reminder for yourself, this is the email you'll want to highlight. Now, here comes the easy part. Simply tap on the star icon located next to the email. You'll see the star turn yellow, confirming that your email has been successfully starred. Starring an email is a great way to keep your important messages organized and easily accessible. That's it. You've just starred an email in Gmail, making it much simpler to find later. With these 3 simple steps, you can manage your inbox more efficiently and ensure you never miss important information.